Hello everyone. So today we'll see how to create a part on 3D printing. So we have a 3D printer available with us, Creality Make. We can create different products on that. These are some of the parts or products that we have made on Creality 3D printer, which is available in our lab. Today in this video, I will demonstrate how to create a product. Now this product which you see is a mobile stand, and this product in production it is manufactured by injection molding, but here we will be making it using our 3D printer. So how we print this part. So what I do, I start with the measurements. So after doing the measurements, we create a 3D model of this, and then once the 3D model is ready, then we prepare from the model for 3D printer. There are certain steps which I'll be explaining in the video, and then finally we print the part on 3D printing machine. And then once the part is ready, we remove the part, and then we do post processing. So these are some of the steps that we'll be following in this video.
Now we have CAD model available with us. We want to take this CAD model for 3D printing. So there are few intermediate steps. In fact, there are two steps. First, we have to create a STL model from this CAD model, STL file, and then we'll take that STL file to Slicer software for generating G codes. So for the first step, we have to go to File and Save As. So we have to save as. So save as options, we will be selecting STL, and when we go for STL file format, there are some options. We can go to the options. For the time being, I'm not changing anything here. Simply say OK, and whatever option pops up, just accept that. Now I'm saving this file, part 1, on the desktop. Save. So accept whatever is being asked, yes, and OK. Now the file, STL file is created. I have exported the CAD file to STL file format. Now I will open this file, the STL file, in the Slicer software, and the Slicer software that we have is Creality software, Creality Print. This comes with the FDM machine. We have the machine which is available with us is from Creality Make, and we are making use of Creality Print Slicer software. Now I will be opening the file which we want to print, part 1's STL file. Open, and you can see here how the part will be printed. The build area is shown, bed is shown, and on that bed how the part is oriented, that is shown. This is not a right way of printing it. I want to rotate the part, and I want the maximum area of the part should be on the bed. So in order to do that, I will be rotating the part, and for rotating the part I will use an option here on the left hand side, rotate. Now I will rotate the part about say x-axis by say 45 degrees initially, and then again more second time 45 degrees, so in total 90 degrees. We can see here now the part is properly oriented and it is ready to be printed. But we have to do one more setting, and that setting is, so if we see the part here, there are this is a hollow part, and this hollow portion, underneath that hollow portion there should be some support material, then only it will be printed. So we have to provide some support material in this case, and in order to provide automatic support, go to this option, support, and here select automatic support, and the moment I do it, you will see what changes will happen in the model. So automatic support, you see wherever automatic support is required, wherever support is required, it will appear by using this option, automatic support. And now this is done. Next step is I have to select the printer. The printer that we are using is Ender 3, and the nozzle size is 0.4 millimeters. Material that we are using is PLA, and the parameter configurations are, we can print it in 3 levels: high quality, normal quality, and medium quality. So these parameters are linked with the layer thickness. So we go with the medium quality, that is 0.15 millimeter. Now we'll be performing slicing operation. I'll click on slice, and we can see the slicing is over. I can click on the G codes and I can see what are the G codes here. I can also see a preview how the part will be printed on machine, and in order to do that I can check stepwise, or I can check layer wise. So in this case I'll be checking it layer wise, and I can start the preview. So you can see how the part will be printed. All it is indicated, and here on the right hand side you can see the G codes are running. So with each block of G code, what is happening on the machine, that is indicated here in this animation. So from here we can easily make it out how the part will be printed, and if there is any issue with the printing, so we can resolve it here before we take this file for 3D printing. Now everything appears to be perfectly fine, so we export the file to a local. We take the file from here and we export the file and save it on the desktop again, and it is in G. The file format is G code format. So here you can see it is indicating 2 hours 34 minutes will be the time that it will take for printing on 3D printing machine. So save it. The file is saved. The file now the file which is saved, that we can see here, will locate from here and we'll take it for printing on the machine. So this is the file. Now from here we copy this file on pen drive and take it to 3D printing for printing, and that's it. A few settings are required on 3D printing, and those settings I will be explaining you shortly. Okay, now we are on 3D printer. We have copied the program and brought it here on this data card. We'll insert the data card in the slot here, which is in front side of the machine. Data card is inserted, and now I will be switching on the machine. So machine is switched on. So it will take just few seconds to the machine to be ready. Now machine is ready, and the first operation normally we do is we bring the machine to home position. So go to motion, and from here select auto home. The moment I do, so all the axis and the table will come to home position. So when it is ready, now you see, so the machine is ready to be operated. Now we will be selecting the program which we want to run. So print from media, because program is copied on the data card and data card is inserted in the machine. So from here I have to select the program which I want to run, and it is part 1. Enter part 1. Okay, so print. So once I do this, now the bed is heating. It is showing here, so 60 degrees, the bed will heat up to 60 degrees. At the moment it is 24, and once the bed is heated up to 60 degrees, then the nozzle, which is just next to it, it is shown here. At the moment it is 0 degrees. It will start heating and it will go up to 200 degrees, and then the printing will start. So we can see the print is now ready, and It took us 2 hours 29 minutes and 32 seconds to print this part. Now our post-processing step starts, and for that I will be removing the part from the machine. So I will be removing the table, and then I will be using this scraping tool to remove the part from the bed. Post-processing step took about 6 minutes. In that I removed the part from the machine, and I also removed the support structure. Now the part is ready to be used. So you can see it is designed properly, and now we can use it as per our requirement.